Hi, what's up, Lee? Welcome to Rich Luck Insider. Today we're gonna talk about why cryptocurrencies are going up again and what's going on in other countries and how about regulations. So let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now 47,705. It jumped from 42,000 on September 27. So why the big jump? It's not only Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum also jumped from 2,800 to 3,300 within a few days. And Cardano similarly, from $2.10 to $2.18. So basically, the support did not break down. Like I said before, your Bitcoin support was 42,000 and 40,000. It did not break, so that's why it bounced back again. And Ethereum, the support was 2,800. Like I said before, it did not break the support, so it bounced back again. Cardano is $2, so it did not break the support, then it bounced back again. So if you look at the 2.2, so 1 week, went down to 217, went down to 216, it did not break the support. So how about Dogecoin? So let's do that. You see, September 29, it did not break the support, $2.0802. So support level is very, very important in trading. So how about Dogecoin? Dogecoin 20 cents was support, so it did not break. So it bounced back at only 2 cents, So look at Dogecoin, 20 cents. And so what's going on with South Korea? South Korea bans exchange staff from trading their own tokens because to prevent conflict of interest. So South Korean financial regulator has issued a new decree that prohibits employees of the virtual asset service provider VASPS from trading their own tokens. So this is to protect the conflict of interest, which is good. So let's say the Financial Services Commission has continually cracked down on them with the new guidelines as it seeks to bring the sector up to Financial Action Task Force standards. So to meet the standard, they have been trying to be really strict with the exchanges, not so much with the crypto trading. So I think I will see the similar trend in US, SEC, Fed, Treasury. They probably regulate crypto exchanges compared to cryptocurrency owner or cryptocurrency trader or blockchain technology businesses. So why do they regulate? Because in the past there has been a example where in the Coinbase, there was an insider trading scandal. Insider knew about the token coming up, the launch coming up. They bought the token before they launch. So basically, they are making profit easily of the retailer. So retail investor were taking advantage of. So they don't want this to happen. So that's why South Korea has been really strict with the virtual access service provider VSPS. So which is a good thing. Another reason the Bitcoin climbs to highest in nearly 2 weeks. Why did it climb? Because Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Chairman, said he had no intention of banning cryptocurrency. In response to a question from the House Representative Ted Poe. So that's a great news. So like I said before, if they ban cryptocurrency, we're gonna be behind in the blockchain technology. And I don't think that's in our interest. That's not in the U.S. government interest to do that because China banned cryptocurrency. Everything, they're trading, mining, blockchain technology, everything. So that's an opportunity for U.S. to take advantage of the blockchain technology. And we're gonna be getting a lot of Chinese investors, Chinese businesses, Chinese miners coming to U.S. That means more revenue. We can test on cryptocurrency, which is good. So just remember, even though there is no explicit law about how much to pay taxes, according to IRS, all income is taxable. Incomes are taxable. So you need to discuss with your CPA or tax advisor how to report on cryptocurrency. So that's a good news. So how about more good news coming? Tesla CEO Elon Musk said U.S. government should avoid regulating cryptocurrency. You need to step aside. Don't worry about it. That's what he said. It's not possible to destroy crypto, but it's possible for governments to slow down its investment. Musk said at the conference in Beverly Hills, California. So I would say do nothing. When he was asked, hey, what should the government do? He said, do nothing. So yeah, so the government not gonna do nothing. They're gonna do something. At least to prevent money laundering, criminal activities for Bitcoin. Just like cash, you can do criminal activities with cash. So the government's gonna do something. So I wouldn't say I'm a massive cryptocurrency expert, but I think there is some value in cryptocurrency. But I wouldn't say it's a second coming of messiahs. When Elon Musk was asked about China crypto crackdown, what did he say? He said part of it is actually be due to electricity shortages in many parts of China. A lot of South China now is in having random power outages because power demand is higher than expected. So crypto mining might be playing a role in that. So I suppose cryptocurrency is fundamentally aimed at using the power of a centralized government. Chinese like centralized government. Of course, they're not gonna like decentralized cryptocurrency and application in blockchain technology. So that's what they burn. So I'm not surprised about it. So nothing news. IMF says crypto boom poses challenges to financial stability. So which is true. More regulation is needed. So it's an industry suffers from a lack of robust operational governance and risk practices. So that's very normal. Cryptocurrency has been around only for 12 years. So a lot of operations are pretty new. Governments, risk practices. I think the next crash, if it's caused by cryptocurrency, I think it's gonna come from lending. So if a lot of people are borrowing money to invest in cryptocurrency, and if exchanges do not have enough reserves to protect against any assets volatility, that could bring down exchanges. That could also bring down the bank who lend the money to exchanges, everything. So 2008 financial crisis was caused by the housing market and easy credit. Now cryptos are having easy credit, and there are a lot of the price bubble. It could be a bubble, depending on which side you are on. So if anything causes, in the wheels of the cryptocurrency, anything can drop, so it can probably go down a lot. So that could be the next crash possible. That's what I think. So anonymity of crypto assets also create data gaps for regulator and can open unwanted doors for money laundering and as well as terrorist financing. So the shortcomings, those shortcomings put consumer at risk. Such as cryptocurrency have failed to survive were likely created solely for speculation purposes or even outright fraud. So the adoption of crypto assets is also difficult to measure because it's possible that emerging markets and developing economies may be leading the way. Yeah, because they do not have a strong currency like US or even Chinese yuan. So US and European probably maybe had a little bit late to adopt, but emerging markets, they want to be the first one in blockchain technology so that can boost their economy. And also then if their citizens know how to invest in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, their web could go up, but they need to really know how to manage or everything. Education has to come first. So that's the thing. They need to educate their citizens and how to do trading, investing, even in technology of blockchain. So yeah, absolutely. SEC, how about SEC? SEC crypto regulation need even application says A16Z K1. So, but he also said regulation can't be one size fits all, of course, So he said two different things within one or two sentences. So let's look at it. So it's not that the industry does not want regulation. I always say it wants clarity. So remember, in business, in stocks, in crypto, clarity is important for the bull market, because if people know how to play the rules, if they know the rules, they're gonna know how to play the rules. If they know how to play the rules, they're gonna know how to profit from the rules. So it's really important for the rules. It's very important for this. Of course, in relationship it's different. In drama movies, the actress doesn't know, is not sure that the actor like her or not. Hey, does he like me or does he not? How much does he like me? So that increases the climax of the movie. It's not the same in financials, service or financial industry. So they need clarity for that. So yeah, ask to rate the performance of Gary Gensler, he declined to assign a grade to SEC chairman. Of course, nobody wants to cross SEC chairman. There's no benefit. Everybody has to come together to say, hey, what can we do to make this blockchain technology and cryptocurrency work better for the citizen and everybody. So it's work together rather than, hey, you're not good, I'm right, you're wrong. So that would create enemies. So you don't never do that. So you never know who can help you achieve your goals. So you make sure you subscribe to our channel so I can help you achieve your goal as well. Get free stock and cryptocurrency in the link in the description and comment down below. So how about countries? Peru. Stablecoin pegged to Peru's currency launches on Stellar. So the coin has been created by Latin American digital token issuer Enclub and is 100% backed by local currency. So Enclub launched stablecoin, which is backed by 100% by the Peru currency. Digital Sol can be purchased from wallets such as Solar and is exchangeable for the Argentine peso, Brazilian real, and US dollar and other currency. So basically, you can buy Sol, on Solar. So the launch follows the digital Argentine peso issued in early 2020. So basically, their aim is to create a digital payment network on Stellar blockchain, connecting Latin American countries in the hopes of decreasing the cost and the time associated with sending money across borders and different currency. So which is good. A lot of Latin American, Latino, they send money, to their parents, their family, in back home, but they need to pay a lot of fees for that, remittance fees, everything. So that's why they are creating all these cryptocurrency, digital money, stablecoin, so that people can send money very, very easily, which is good. So if you enjoy more videos, you want more of videos, you can check my playlist, Richard Insider playlist. You can go how to videos, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, stock trading, immigration, and also if you look at stimulus check, you can also look at real estate as well, stock investing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.